Ki kubor ki babnia. Myntri Rangbah ke Jylla Meghalaya, Conrad ke Sangma nin kesengi Leit Jngoh ke Meghalaya Entrepreneur Society for Community Markets ha All Saints Hall Shillong. Ha ba ajeng kren ha kini kesengi Sangma ulaya ro shibon ya ki kinhuon ki belah shimkia ben penlong ya kini kiyo. Ulaong susu ba kesorkar kan ajeng kersan ki nongseng jam. Ki bantau bon ki lat kelinti wat pedeng ki mau jintut ki bangi kendo na kapor sakapor.
Came to me and met me and asked me to be here for this program. I was telling them that entrepreneurship is something that's very close to my heart also. And I've always believed in entrepreneurs. I've always believed that if we want our society, our state and our nation to move forward, then it is only through entrepreneurship that we'll be able to take it forward. Government has a role to play, but government is only a facilitator.